Welcome to AJ Solution. In this video, Zero to Millionaire, a step-by-step guide. We will reveal the secret to becoming a millionaire starting from scratch, even if you have absolutely nothing right now. We will guide you through a proven step-by-step process that will empower you to create your own path to wealth. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to build a solid financial foundation and work towards achieving your dreams. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey towards becoming a millionaire. 5 keywords: millionaire mindset, financial success, building wealth, achieving financial independence. Welcome to From Zero to Millionaire, a step-by-step guide. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom? In this video, we will show you how to transform your life by starting from nothing and building a fortune. Get ready to change your mindset and take control of your financial future. Let's dive in. 1. Building the millionaire mindset. Understanding the power of your mind. Before we embark on this journey, it's important to understand that wealth starts in the mind. To become a millionaire, you need a strong mindset that believes in abundance, embraces challenges, and is open to learning. We will explore some powerful techniques and strategies to help shape your mindset for success. Setting clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial on your path to becoming a millionaire. We will guide you in creating a vision board, defining your financial goals, and breaking them down into actionable steps. By having clear goals in mind, you will be motivated and focused on your journey to wealth. Adopting a strong work ethic. As the saying goes, success is 10% inspiration and 90% perspiration. Building wealth requires hard work, dedication, and a strong work ethic. We will provide you with practical tips and advice on how to develop and maintain a strong work ethic that will propel you forward towards your millionaire dreams. Strategies for financial success. Creating multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is often not enough to become a millionaire. We will explore various income-generating opportunities and guide you in creating multiple streams of income. From side hustles to investments, we'll show you how to diversify and maximize your earnings. Saving and investing wisely. Saving and investing are essential components of wealth building. We will provide you with practical tips on how to save more effectively, create a budget, and invest wisely. Learn about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, real estate, and entrepreneurship, and discover the best strategies to grow your wealth over time. Leveraging the power of networking. Building a strong network is crucial for creating opportunities and accelerating your path to financial success. We will share valuable insights on effective networking strategies, connecting with like-minded individuals, and leveraging your network for business and investment opportunities. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. On your journey to becoming a millionaire, you will face obstacles and setbacks. We will explore the concept of failure as a valuable learning opportunity and provide you with strategies to overcome challenges. Learn from the experiences of successful individuals and discover how to turn failures into stepping stones towards success. Developing a resilient mindset. Building wealth requires resilience and perseverance. We will guide you in developing a resilient mindset that can withstand setbacks and keep you motivated during tough times. Discover techniques to stay focused, overcome self-doubt, and handle criticism on your path to financial success. Celebrating milestones and staying inspired. Along your journey, it's important to celebrate milestones and acknowledge your achievements. We will provide you with strategies to stay inspired and motivated, such as visualization techniques, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and staying up to date with success stories. Remember, every step towards becoming a millionaire counts. Congratulations! You have now learned the key steps to becoming a millionaire from zero. By cultivating a millionaire mindset, implementing strategies for financial success, and staying motivated despite challenges, you are well on your way towards achieving your dreams. Remember, building wealth takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Stay focused, never give up, and one day, you might just find yourself living the life of a millionaire. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey.